Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Marcella with Dream Plan Hustle Achieve. Today we're going to be doing a decorate with me for February monthly. And the sticker book I will be using is Functional Chic Pink Blooms by Live Love Posh. Yes, February is officially here. How have your how has your first month gone in 2023? All right. So for this spread, Mardi Gras, love some Mardi Gras, but I'm going to end up, I was debating on doing half Valentine's Day, half Mardi Gras, but I decided against it. We are going to be using these beautiful florals. The struggles. All right, if you're wondering, all these little pink sticky notes, they are placements for where I have bills. And then I use these bigger ones for appointments, and then a workshop that I will be attending. But I'm unsure if I really want to put appointments or any of that kind of stuff on my monthly, as I only use it for my bills to help me see clearly when I'm budgeting and paying bills. That way there's no reason for me to miss a bill because it's here and there's nothing else cluttering it per se, aside from the beautiful stickers that I placed down. And right now I'm just taking this off. That way I can utilize this to place stickers back down when need be. And I kind of went back and forth whether I wanted to do a plan with me and fill out the actual bills, who I owe, and then maybe later do a budget with me. All right, so let's see. We got this big, gorgeous, huge one. That'll probably be perfect there. So did any of you guys have goals for January? If so, did you complete them? Did you procrastinate? What's your status on that? Let me know down in the comments below. I'd like to know. Are there certain things you struggle with, maybe? Actually, I think I like that over there better. Maybe I'll put a quote up top. Maybe not, I don't know. There, no, those are not the same. Okay. All right. Speaking of budgeting and things, how do you guys handle your monthly? Do you utilize your monthly as for your budgeting and or your bills, or both bills and appointments? You know, I will say I kind of wanted to do more Valentine's on this one, I think. But I didn't look for any Valentine stickers. because I forgot about it. I'm not big on the holiday. I just act like it because it's pink and red and, you know, everybody else gets excited. I'm not big on candy, so, you know, and I don't do flowers. So don't buy me flowers, just in case you guys wanted to. Just kidding. It seems to be a lot easier to pull them up. If you saw my last video, I was struggling. Instead of using my little tool to help me pick it up, I, you know, kept struggling. The things we do. So colorful. No, I did not intentionally use pink. It was just what I grabbed. Came out great. Came out great though, right? I don't think I want those to really overlap there. That'll work. It wanted to play on the other page. I guess I'll let it. Kind of looks weird. Just a tad bit. Just a tad bit. But, you know, I think I might not keep that there. I think I want to put that. I'll just put it on my weekly. My appointments. Well, I'll always put my appointments on the weekly as well. But I am using a daily sheet too. And some of my appointments will be on there as awesome. I didn't like the way that little gap was looking. Fill it in a little bit. And I will say, I do like to clear the sheet. I don't know, it's kind of like a goal, you know? Can I get all the stickers on the spread? Sometimes I'm like, whoa, it's going to be way too much. And then I end up with, you know, pieces afterwards. Like a few stickers, and then I don't like it because I might not have any more or enough. And then I'm afraid it's not going to look right on another spread by itself. Have 3 little flowers. You never know. All right, and we have 2 more stickers. Right, that there. Give some Ash Wednesday some love. And Valentine's Day needs some loving too. Right. I don't like to cover up my dates where I really can't see them, you know. So, yeah. I don't know, it's just one of those things I do not like doing. I think that's how I had it. Go and move stuff and then I forget. Yeah. Beautimous. I'll take those back off later. All right, you guys. There's my February monthly. I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, God bless, and I hope you have a wonderful week.